Colombia is located in South America, bordered by Venezuela, Brazil, Peru, Ecuador, Panama, and the Caribbean Sea. It is known for its diverse landscapes, including the Andes Mountains, Amazon rainforest, tropical beaches, and rolling plains. Colombia has a tropical climate with warm weather all year round, except for some cooler areas in the high mountains. The country has a population of around 50 million people. The official language of Colombia is Spanish. Most people are Roman Catholic, but other religions are also practiced. The capital city of Colombia is Bogotá, located high in the Andes Mountains. Other important cities are Medellín, Cali, Cartagena, and Barranquilla. Colombia's currency is the Colombian peso. Colombian cuisine is rich and flavorful. Famous dishes include corn cakes, big plates with rice, beans, meat, fried egg, and avocado, and thick chicken soup with potatoes, corn, and traditional herbs. Colombian coffee is famous worldwide. Other popular drinks include a fermented corn drink and a sweet drink made from sugarcane juice. Colombian music is lively and varied, including styles like cumbia and vallenato. Popular Colombian singers include global superstar Shakira. Cities like Cartagena and Medellín with their historic buildings and delicious food attract hundreds of thousands of tourists every year. Nature lovers can explore the Amazon rainforest, the Andes Mountains, or beautiful beaches in Santa Marta. The colorful Andean village of Guatabay, the Coffee Triangle, and Tayrona National Park are also popular tourist attractions. Colombia was part of the Spanish Empire for nearly 250 years. In 1810, the people of Colombia declared independence, and independence was finally achieved in 1819.